What's up, guys? We're here in New Jersey on our high school football field.
It feels good. It feels good to be back.
I haven't been here in almost 20 years. How long for you, Donovan?
3 years.
See, Donovan?
4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Donovan's our new social media consultant in New Jersey. Oh no, the sun is getting us.
There we go.
Yeah, so he's going to help us lead a lot of the activity that's taking place in New Jersey. He connected us to one of our friends, actually, Mark Seeley. Mark has an amazing.
Landscape, hardscape business.
What's it called?
Oak Ridge. First one is MS Designs, and then Dropbox Dumpster Service.
Yeah, Dropbox Dumpster Services. It's awesome.
It's a great business. Great guy. Had a huge lunch meeting with him.
Yeah, it was awesome.
We started the day, with a couple cancellations, but we made the most out of it. We wound up with too many appointments.
We had too many
honestly.
appointments today. We double booked ourselves at one point.
Yeah, but we made the most out of it.
Yep.
Just goes to show you can't give up when everything's looking down. You got to make the best of it.
Yeah, I almost turned around actually as I was driving this morning through the Delaware Bridge. But we met with an awesome business owner. He owns an MMA, North Jersey MMA, Garrett.
Oh, Garrett, great guy.
It's
Great
awesome.
guy.
He just opened a new location in Jefferson, right where I used to ride bikes, actually. The sun is going crazy. But Garrett's awesome. We hung out with him. We went and met with a bunch of realtors today.
A bunch of realtors, some insurance companies.
Yep.
Changing the game, really allowing brokers to really get their department and, really compete within their geographical locations.
We met. It was fun.
I'm excited to see what comes out of it.
Yeah, we actually booked a whole day of appointments.
Almost two.
Almost
We're
two,
almost on
actually.
the second day.
Yeah, we're working on 2 days now of appointments from just being here and just connecting with business owners and people that we used to be in relationship as we lived here.